My name is Owen Khan. I'm 19 years old from Pakistan. And this is the start of the biggest challenge of my life. Making $1 million in 1 year challenge. No funding, no connections. Just raw hustle, pure strategy and self-belief. But this challenge is not just about money. I'm turning my life 180 degrees. Working on my mindset, personality, fitness and overall presence as a future entrepreneur. Right now I'm not fit, not where I wanted to be physically or mentally. But this is exactly why I'm doing this. To build, to become, and to evolve. I'll be trying different side hustles, launching startups, and experimenting with different digital business models. But let me make one thing clear. I'm not against education, but I'm against the traditional education system in Pakistan that forces the students to follow, not to lead. This is my journey from 0 to 7 figures and becoming the sharpest version of myself along the way. Because this is not a dream anymore. It's a mission. Let's get to work.